Yes, yes, I marked. Okay, then today we are going to discuss about the structure of the courts in India. Okay, you know the court structure? It's like a pyramid, which is the apex court in India,
Ma'am, Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Then for a state, which is the highest court,
Ma'am, High Court.
High Court. So the Supreme. So we have a Supreme Court. And after that, High Court. And after that,
State court
not state court. It is the district courts.
and
Okay.
district.
Is the district courts. For each district, they have courts. Then after above that, there is High Court. And above it is
Supreme Court.
Supreme.
Ma'am, in page
Ma'am, in page 57, there is the pyramid. So we have to write
Yeah,
this.
so, no, listen here first, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
The structure of court. First listen here. It is a structure of court. The structure of court include the district courts, high court and the Supreme Court. That means the district court, it is at the lowest level. For each district or tahsil, have you heard about tahsil? Tahsildar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Heard about it, tahsildar. For each tahal, that means for each district or each district level, there is a court which deals with different types of cases. This district court itself deals with the different types of cases. They hear many kind of cases, and above that, here the district court is presided by whom? By the district judge. Okay, the district court is presided by the district judge. And above that, the High Court is there. High Court is presided over by the Chief Justice of High Court, and Supreme Court is presided over by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Who's the current Chief Justice of Supreme Court? Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Anyone know? No one? Okay, Chief Justice of High Court. The Chief Justice of Supreme Court is now Sharhat Aravind Bogle, and for the High Court it is now the Mani Kumar. Okay. And the Supreme Court, you heard about Supreme Court?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is the apex court in India. It is the apex court. Always remember. See, children, if a question is there, which is the apex court in India? Which is the apex court in India?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. And which is the apex court for a state?
High Court.
High Court. Don't be confused, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't mix it up. For a state, you imagine, for Kerala, which is the highest court in Kerala? It is a Kerala High Court. Where is it situated?
Ma'am, Ernakulam.
Ernakulam. In Ernakulam. High Court is situated in Ernakulam. But for Supreme Court, where is it?
New Delhi.
In New Delhi. Right. It is the highest court in India, or the apex court in India. That is the Supreme Court.
Can you say again that one apex court in
Apex court in India, which is apex court?
Supreme.
Supreme Court, and it is presided by whom? It is presided over by the Chief Justice.
Ma'am, second one what you said after.
Which is the highest in the state. For a state. For Kerala, Kerala High Court. So, coming to the Supreme Court, it was established around 28 January 1950, and the Supreme Court include a Chief Justice and around 30 judges. Okay, with a Chief Justice and around 30 judges are there in the Supreme Court. And once they are appointed, in the beginning itself we discussed, it is not easy to terminate them from their post, and that process is called what? Impeachment. It needs the approval of the parliament and all for the impeachment of a judge.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, High Court is presided by.
The High Court is also presided by the Chief Justice. That is the High Court judge. For each Supreme Court. Okay. Chief Justice for each state. For coming to the High Courts, High Court is around in India, around 25 High Courts are there in India in total. That means some states are sharing their High Courts. Between two states have only one High Court. So around 25 High Courts are there in India. And each of these High Courts are presided over by a Chief Justice. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the structure of a court include the district court, High Court and Supreme Court. High Court at the district level, each of the state. Kerala itself is divided into how many districts?
Ma'am, 14.
14.
That is the courts coming in this are called district courts. Then for a state, it have a main court, that is High Court, and above that it is apex court, that is the Supreme Court. And the district court is presided over by the district judge. High Court is presided by the Chief Justice of the state High Court, and Supreme Court is presided over by the Supreme Court Chief Justice. Okay, then a question will be there. Are these different levels of court are connected to each other?
Means?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think that the three levels are there we have, right? One is district level,
Yes.
the other is High Court, and the other is Supreme Court. That they are connected to each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so the different levels or courts are connected to each other. How we can say? In India, we have an integrated judicial system. What is it? Integrated judicial system. So how we can say that they are binding to each other or they are connected to each other? In India, we have an integrated judicial system. In India, we have an integrated judicial system. That means the decision taken by the higher court are binding to the lower court. What do you mean by integrated judicial system? That means the decision taken by the higher court is binding to the lower courts. The decisions taken by the higher court are binding to the lower court. That is integrated judicial system. That means the decision taken by the highest court, Supreme Court decision is binding to whom? Binding to the High Court and also to the district courts. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The concept is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are the different levels of court connected to each other?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, they are connected to each other because we have an integrated judicial system. That means the decision taken by the highest court, the apex court, is binding to the lower courts. Okay, the decision taken by the Supreme Court is binding to the lower court. Suppose Supreme Court is taking a decision related to any case. Validity of Aadhaar. You know about Aadhaar card?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it was there in the Supreme Court and it admitted that yes, Aadhaar is needed. So it is binding to the, if any other verdict related to that is there, it will not be valid. The final verdict is whose verdict? Supreme Court. That means the decision taken by the apex court is applicable or binding to whom? Binding to the lower courts. And another way of understanding this integration is through the appellate system that exists in India. Suppose, so to know about the integrated judicial system, you heard about this term appellate. Appeal, have you heard about appeal?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes, same thing. Appellate system. That means once we depend on if any verdict from the lower court or a district court, if we feel it is against us, we can approach the high court and again the Supreme Court.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I explain that integrated judicial system?
Integrated judicial system means once the decision taken by the higher court for a case, the decision taken by the higher court is applicable for the all other courts in India. Suppose
Okay.
Supreme Court take a decision and that decision is applicable to all the other courts in India. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. That we can do done through the appellate system. That is more clear after explaining what do you mean by the appellate system. Appeal means what? Appellate system. Appeal means what? You heard about the term appeal?
Yes.
I'm saying no appellate.
Louder.
I'm saying no appellate.
Not?
Ma'am, appeal means.
Where you heard about this term appeal?
Ma'am,
I'm
in
laughing.
films and all.
In the films, right? In the films we heard about appeal. We can give an appeal against the verdict of the court, right? So many films you are watching.
Which film?
Film.
English.
No one heard about this.
In films, in court scene and all.
In court scene and all, appeal is a common term used in the films, right?
Ma'am, I don't see any court film.
Ma'am, in Malayalam films and literature films.
Malayalam films, so many films it is there related to
Ma'am,
appeal.
in Malayalam films, they are saying in
Ma'am,
Malayalam.
appeal means.
The term we are using itself as appeal. We can give an appeal in the high court.
We can
Yes,
give a case.
Case
Ah,
against him.
Then, have you heard about the term appeal anywhere?
No.
No one heard about it.
Ma'am, is it like we had to appeal. We had to give.
What Shivanya said?
Ma'am, is it like bargain?
Bargain. No. Alina, you said something there?
Ma'am.
Appeal
Mishal
means
said
what?
Mishal.
Ma'am, we had to register a case.
You heard about Kalolsavam?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Heard about the term appeal there?
No. Only Malayalam.
Oh, Malayalam you don't know, Midun?
I know.
Yes, Shankari.
Ma'am, it is fixed. The appeal means.
What do you mean by appeal?
Ma'am, in Malayalam, what it said.
Ma'am, give.
Give. Some ideas are there in the mind, but it is not coming out, right?
Yes.
How to?
Okay. That appeal, you leave it. We can discuss an example. After that, it is clear to you. See, appeal is simple means that it's a second instant. Once a verdict is there, again, if we are not happy with that, it's a second instant.
Ma'am,
Court of second instant, we are using the term appellate. Okay. Suppose a case, you heard about one of the recent issue that happened in India. So in our state related to dowry death. That is about the Uttara.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that snake issue.
A snake bited and she died. You remember that?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, what the people thought it is an accidental death. But later it came to know that who did it?
Her husband.
Yes.
Her husband did it, right?
Yes.
Her husband did it. So it is a very controversial case that Kerala ever discussed, and so many discussions went on related to that topic about the dowry death and all. So it's a rarest case, and an FIR was against him. An FIR was
Recording. Sometimes recording, sometimes not recording.
okay. Leave it. That may be the wire is. Sometimes I am moving from here and there. It is getting post. Okay. So that case we can take an example. So suppose that the case trial and everything is over. Okay. Please don't interrupt in between the class. Okay. If you want to talk anything, please tell it after what I am explaining. Otherwise, it will be a great distraction. Um, so after the trial over and suppose a verdict came, that case initially did that cases went to Supreme Court?
No, ma'am.
No. Where that case will be?
High
For the first
court.
time
High court.
No,
High court.
in the
ma'am,
district level
district
itself,
court.
right?
District.
District
In the
court.
district level itself, and after that, if that he feel that he didn't do anything and if the verdict was against him, what he can do?
We'll approach.
Can.
He can give an appeal,
High
right? He can approach to the higher court. Now is it clear what do you mean by appeal?
Yes.
Now is it
If he
clear?
didn't do anything,
ma'am.
he can do.
Second instant, a second chance for him. If the verdict he was not happy with that, what he can do? He can give an appeal in the highest
High
court.
court.
Where? In the high court.
High court.
And there also the verdict is there, and if he feel that or suppose there the court decided he didn't do anything. Okay, she died because of the snake bite itself, and if again there is an option for her parents where they can go,
Supreme Court.
they can give an appeal against the verdict in the Supreme Court. Now clear what do you mean by the term appeal? The second court which give a second instance, appellate system.
Now,
So we
can
can-
we say it is a request?
Yes, it's a application for to be from here. Do you understood what is appellate? Sorry,
Giving a second
Yes,
chance.
appeal is clear to you. The concept is clear to you.
Yes.
So if once we are not happy, if that decision is not acceptable for us, we can approach the another one, the Supreme. Once among the three, whose verdict will be the final?
On Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court verdict will be the final. That's a court of last appellate. Okay. So from here, can you say what do you mean by appeal?
Ma'am, approach.
It's an approach. Okay, approach.
Giving a second chance.
It is once a decision taken by the court, right? That means in the first verdict will be there from the court. And we are giving against that. Right, children? So it's an application for a decision to be revised. Once a verdict is already there, we want to revise it. That is appeal. Okay. Appeal means it's an application for a decision to be revised. Once a decision is taken, but what is our aim? We want to revise that. That is appeal. The concept is clear to you. What do you mean by appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
And the term appeal means what? It's an application for a decision to be revised. To be revised is an application for a decision to be revised. We are giving an appeal in the highest courts for revising the verdict of the lowest court. Okay.
Ma'am, can you say the definition again?
And
Application.
the appeal means it's an application for a decision to be revised, or a request for a decision to be revised. It's an application or a request for a decision to be revised. Now the concept is clear. What do you mean by appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you understood why the courts are called. We have an integrated judicial system because the decision taken by the apex court is binding to the lower courts. And if we have the right to give appeal against the verdict of the lower courts to the higher court, we can approach them. Okay.
Yes.
Then in the textbook, it is clearly explained with the example of a case, that is the case between Lakshman Kumar and his wife. Okay, so please take the textbook page number 58. Page number 58.
Mom's daily administration as Lakshman Kumar and
Yes.
that don't.
You saw that the second paragraph?
Yes, in February
The
1980.
appellate system is clearly explained with the example of a case that is between the state of Delhi and the Lakshman Kumar. Okay, first read that first paragraph. I can't hear. Dear, maybe network problem, your network problem. Rest all, any problem?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have
Ma'am,
sometime I got here.
ma'am, we have to read from the paragraph in February 19.
Yes, from there itself, in February 1980 onwards. Alana joined. Alana? Yes.
Ma'am, in February 1980. No, from that also.
Mm. Children, please listen. Okay, you continue the first paragraph, only first paragraph.
Ma'am, up to Lakshmanan has had lit the fire.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Not up to fire. During the trial, the members of Sudha's family, that paragraph also, that entire paragraph.
Ma'am, sentenced all three of them to death. Up to
Yes, sentenced all the three to death till that portion.
Ma'am, finished.
Everyone must read. I will call any person for that. Okay, that time please don't say any excuses. So children absentees once again. Alna absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, right.
Ma'am,
Wait. Okay, everyone finished?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, Alina.
Ma'am, up to Lakshman has lit the fire. No, up to there. No. Up
What
to
I
there.
said, that first paragraph, right? Alina, what was the case, dear? Now only taking the textbook. That's what I told you. Everyone must read. Okay, take the textbook. You must explain it.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, can this case be considered as a dowry case?
It's a dowry death. It's related to dowry death. Alina, what was the case?
Three of them dead.
Hmm? Louder, dear. What was the case? Alina is not responding. What happened?
And she's reading.
Tell me, what is it? Now only read. Okay, Alina, where is Alina? Finish, dear. First paragraph only. I will help you. You just start. What is it? Alina, dear. Tell me, dear.
Ma'am, I think
I think she is not hearing us.
we cannot hear her. That's it.
Ma'am, she left.
So that is related to the appellate system case. What was the case? It is a case where
Ma'am, Lakshmanan's
Died.
wife
Kumar
died in
Sudha.
fire.
Sudha died.
And their witness is telling that Lakshman and his mother
was
and his
brother.
brother.
Next class, Alina itself explained that. Okay, that is good.
Okay, ma'am.
Children,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
read that. Okay, full you must read. Okay,
Okay,
full
ma'am.
means the second paragraph and the third paragraph also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
It's
Alina
a
left.
story. Okay, nothing other is there. It is only the story there about that case. And now you understood what do you mean by the appellate system and what do you mean
Yes,
by
yes.
is clear.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
That with Uttara's example, we explained it.
Yes.
yes,
Imagine that case in mind
Snake.
and read it.
yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and Monday we can explain it in detail.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then bye all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.